What's that?
Hello everyone, thank you for watching our CodeFest video. We have created Atlas. We have boundless inspiration to create your ideal trip with Marriott Bonvoy, bridging the gaps between two ends to make the world go round. My name is Courtney Begoon.
I'm Joe.
I'm Shiva.
And I'm Amon. I'm controlling the slides right now.
And we are Team Rocket.
All right, so the problem is that trip planning, that process can be really tedious. A lot of it does not promote Marriott services. It's a multi-point contact. You have to search through different websites and services. It's ultimately very time consuming. A list, an itinerary, it's very traditional, it's very boring. It's just a top-down view, it's not that creative, and it's not inspiring. So, it lacks personalization suggestions.
According to the U.S. Travel Survey, 74% of Americans say that planning a vacation is more stressful than staying at work. Team Rocket is here to change that. According to a study by the Institute of Positive Research, 97% of surveyed respondents report that having a trip planned makes them happier. If there's a platform that could inspire travelers to ease their stress and see all that a vacation has to offer, could bring more business to Marriott hotels, visibility to local restaurants, and showcase towns and cities in the world. An opportunity Team Rocket sees is to let the guests create and visualize their own trip. Using Atlas, you can get a more personalized experience, collect Marriott Bonvoy points, and has a better option to compete with OTAs to let everyone use that website to complete all of their bookings.
Yeah, so if the platform offers seamless integration between idea generation and direct booking options, right, then users will be more likely to complete their travel bookings on the same platform. So this is a people-first, right, platform that can streamline technology and build trust and reliability, right, through transparent personalization and security that is built everywhere. Seamless trip planning cultivates brand loyalty and lock-in.
According to the Changing Traveler report, only 69% of travelers would be open to use AI in the United States, compared to 98% in Indonesia and Thailand. This feature could allow Marriott to be an inspiring trailblazer to use AI and Atlas in the platform.
So seamless trip planning, it starts very, very, very clean. It starts with an inspiration, then you use our Atlas platform in order to gain that planning inspiration. We have everything built into one application. Then you can then book, and then you can go.
Okay, so welcome to Atlas, right? This is our live demo here, right? We have a login screen here. You can sign in with the email address, right, and the password. So we're going to sign in with our username here. Right. So plan your next trip. This is our main login homepage. You can click try it. So this is our feed, right? You can be inspired through many different images here, different places you can visit, different activities, right? So if you search sushi or Tokyo, right, you'll see a multitude of different images or places or boards you can connect to. So these are our atlases, right? So these are our collective canvases where we can plan our trips, right, using our AI-driven technology. And this is our passport, right? So you, through this passport feature, you can search places you visited before, places in your canvas, right? So Tokyo, Japan, right? And you can see where exactly that is on the map, right? And what, in New York, and what board it's from. So coast to coast USA. And if you go to the settings here, you have the typical notifications, as well as you can change your travel preferences, right? You can also see your username, Bonvoy number of Bonvoy points you currently have, and your preferences, right? And you can change these preferences anytime by just typing in the new preference and clicking Save Preference. Okay, now to actually visualize one of these atlases. Yeah. So here you can see we have a multitude of nodes, right? These nodes contain information about where you may want to travel, what kinds of activities you may want to do, like or places you want to visit, like DC sushi spots. And if you also notice, this is an infinite board, right? So you can come up with as many different like ideas as possible, and you can upload custom ideas and write descriptions. Yeah, like a cool place to go, right? And you can label it with a title. And here you can interact with our interactive AI chatbot essentially. You can type in, recommend me some food options, and here we'll actually go ahead and do so. So as you can see, it comes with different nodes here that pop up, and using one of our format options, we can actually format the entire screen to be more organized. And you can actually search different places, right, that you may see on like Google Maps or anywhere, right? So if you search up DC or DC-based attractions, you can see different locations, right, or attractions here that you can put into your thing, into your canvas, and add it to canvas right there. And you can also see the number of Bonvoy points you may get, and the price, as well as the rating that I've seen on Google. And finally, you can actually book your trip, right, by entering the from date, and then the to date, as well as, the from location, the destination, as well as the departure date and return date. And we're gonna go ahead and generate the perfect itinerary for you. So as you can see, we have the number of days planned out right for you. So you can see the departure, as well as an Uber ride, right? We prioritize certain services that may allow you to gain more Bonvoy points, right? So integration with Marriott Bonvoy. Yeah, and then you can also see at the bottom the number of Bonvoy points you earn. And then here's a room request section where you can actually visualize your room in real time, right? Based on your preferences, right? So yeah, based on your travel history, we recommend you some preferences here, and you can also type in your own. Yep. So we have these pre-built options you can click in, and it's going to go ahead and generate a preview for you here. Yeah. So now you can see that the baby crib is actually in the room, and you can visualize that in real time, and so can the housekeeper, right? So they'll be able to actually deliver that to your room in the way that you choose for it to be so.
Pause. Okay, good. We pause.
Really good.
You missed out on one point.
But it's fine.
Dr. Church.